Hello learners, now here is another question. Now if you'll observe this question now, which chapter do you think this question is from? Give it a guess. I would say this is from quadratic equations because you see there is log x to the base e whole square and like that. Now as soon as you see this question, sometimes it is not easy to get an idea. E power phi into, you see this entire thing is there. This is what we are given, e power phi into log x to the base e square plus 3. This everything is in the power, everything is in the power. Is equal to x power 8. As soon as you see this question, you might think what to do, like can we do something about it? But yes, just apply log to the base e on both sides. Just apply log to the base e on both sides. As soon as you will apply this, take a look. This is what you'll get. Log of e power this is equal to log of x power 8. Now what will happen is, see, this is in the power and this is also in the power. You know, right, in logarithms, log of a power m, log of a power m is m log a, So what will happen is this power will become a coefficient. Here my power is what, 5 log x base e square plus 3. This entire thing will become a coefficient. Okay, this entire thing will come to the side and I'll be left out with log e to the base e. Here also 8 will come to the side, 8 will become a coefficient. So I'll get 8 log x base e. See, this entire thing came to the side, log e base e, and this is 8 log x base e. Okay. Now what is log e to the base e? Log a to the base a is 1, so this will be 1. So 5 log x to the base e square plus 3 is equal to 8 log x base e. Fine. Now let's just get this term also to the LHS so that we can get an RHS, I mean 0 in the RHS, which is kind of standard for us to solve the equations. Now what can we do? We can take log x as t. Okay, log x as t. So what will I get? 5t square minus 8t plus 3 equal to 0. I told you in the beginning, right, this looks something like a quadratic equation. So it's not easy to guess it all the time. I already knew the answer, so I told you that it looks like a quadratic equation. But yes, now here is where you have to find out roots for this. You can use simple factorization method. This you can write as minus 5t minus 3t. In the first two terms, you can take 5t common. In the next two terms, you can take minus 3 common. So this is what you'll get. Again, take t minus 1 common in the next two terms. So I'll get t minus 1 into 5t minus 3 equal to 0. Fine. So t minus 1 is 0 or 5t minus 3 is 0, t equal to 1 or t equal to 3 by 5. Now wait, put a pause button here, put a break here, okay? My question is about x, right? I need to find all the solutions. Means what? Solution means the value of x only, right? T is something which we introduced. What was t? I think t was log x, right? Yeah, log x. So log x to the base e is 1 or log x to the base e is 3 by 5. So x will be what? X will be e power 1 or x will be e power 3 by 5. You know, right? Whenever log x to the base y is something like a, then x is nothing but a power y. X is nothing but, then x is nothing but y power a. X is nothing but y power a. X is nothing but y power a. Like this it will go. So like that, e power x is e power 1 or x is e power 3 by 5. So x has two values, e power 1 and e power 3 by 5. What did they ask in the question? They asked us to find the product of the solutions. There are two solutions, e power 1 and e power 3 by 5. So just multiply them. E power 1 into e power 3 by 5, a power m into a power n is a power m plus n. So this value is e power 1 plus 3 by 5, which is e power 8 by 5. So option 1 is correct, and bingo. With this, thank you very much. One more thing, if you want to talk to me, I mean chat with me, I've created a WhatsApp group. The link is available in the description, so don't forget to join it so that you can interact with me. Once again, thank you.